Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this Bad Society Club outfit that I've had for about 2 years now. So I actually got a medium in this set, and yeah, it fits really well. The pants are pretty like oversized, kind of oversized. But see, there's a zipper in the back right here, so you do technically need your size, because I don't want to give the impression that they're so stretchy that you can just pull them up. Like, you still need to be able to zip it up in the back. For both the shirt and the pants, they zip up along the seam in the back. It's extra comfortable. As you can see, it's like the super comfy teddy material. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see. And then there's mesh right here and mesh right here. And I love wearing them with these boots from Timmy Shoes. This is the material up close. And this material is all throughout the rest, and they have really deep pockets. Like, the pockets go all the way to here. So very comfortable and warm. It comes in, I remember last year it came in this color, black, white, and a light pink. This year she brought it back in this color, in a light pink color. I love Bad Society Club, and I do have a coupon code, like a discount code for you guys if you'd like to shop with them. It's Jules Gems, JUELSGEMS, and I'll make sure that I leave that in the description box below and somewhere right here as well. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video with a friend.